Hi, good evening. Today we will see the navigation component and its development. What is navigation component basically? Navigation component is the site navigation, which we navigate through the site. Let me show you what is navigation component today. Example, go to our templates, that is HTML template, which we got from the UI team. This is the template. This is the home page of website. This is the navigation. This we call it as a navigation, top level navigation of your entire website structure. From here you do navigate to your website. Hope you got it. What is navigation? Okay. Let me explain you here how navigation component we do develop here today in today's session. Are you able to see my screen? Hope you're able to see my screen now. You would be, if I have to. Yeah, navigation component. Today we are going to see this. We call it as a navigation of your website. Means navigation to all the pages of your website. This we call it as a navigation component. Okay. To develop this navigation component, we have to write a JSP code, that is in Java. In scriptlets, we have to write the code that getting the childrens of your website and developing that. We are going to create navigation component. Let me explain you how we will be doing navigation component. This is the purpose project. Inside the purpose project, create the child page like features page, credits page, home page. Okay. Pages plus we'll see it later. This is a little bit complex. So I will be taking this easy thing, that is features, credits, and home page. This navigation we see it first. If you observe here, the features component, features page is not available, means not yet been created in a CQ. If you observe here, okay, the features page is not there. Navigation component is nothing but navigating to your website. For example, let me draw a diagram which would depict easily. Easily the things you will understand. So navigation in the sense, first, for example, assume this is a one node, root node of your website, and it is having one child, or else three childs are there. One child, two child, three childs are there, for example. If you are in the home.html page, assume that is the root home.html. Assume that this is a child 1.html. At the same time, this is child 2.html page, and this is child 3.html. As you are in the root page, for example, assume you are in a root page, that is home.html. So you should be able to access to the child nodes of this child 1, of the child 2, and child 3. So that's how we should develop a navigation component to access the child nodes of the website. If you are in a child 1 and the subchilds and root node, navigation root node and the subchilds of the child, this child 1.html, you should be able to navigate. That's how we should build a site. For example, if you observe geometric site, demo site, open toolbars, or else contact.html. If you go to this site, This we call it as a navigation component. Are you able to navigate to different pages or not? Means services, service childs are there, company, navigation. Even though you are in products.html, on the fly, you can go to customer satisfaction survey.html also you can navigate. This how, basically. You got it right? Community. Like this, you are able to access the website. This is the site. This is the navigation component. We will be going to develop it. Okay. For that, you need to have a site structure. That site structure we will build now. Site structure. This is the purpose root node we have. So first we will create features.html. To create the features.html, you need to extend. Here I will be creating one page template for features.html. So features page template, we have to create it. Now I'll use the inheritance concept, guys. Just have a look on it. First, before that, go to your features.html inside of HTML templates. Open the features.html. See, this is the features.html. Which is the body part? You need to analyze and you should get the body part. Header and footer should be common to our website. If you remember, as we discussed, header and footer must be common to the website. This header and footer must be common. Only the body content will change it. So now we'll use the inheritance concept in CQ. By using that inheritance concept, we will create the features page template. Means by extending the home page template. That is home purpose page template. Check the body part. How the body part and from which div section the body part is sitting. This is the one match. So from here the body part will get started. This all is a body part. This is also comes into the body part section. These all are body part only. From where the footer will start, from here the footer will start. So for this we need to create one template. That I am going to create. Page, right click. First copy the parent nodes. In this, if you observe, the header.jsp and footer.jsp we have not separated. In purpose homepage.html. First, here we will create header.jsp and footer.jsp. Create a file, header.jsp. Here, create a file. Sorry. Footer.jsp. So copy the common code which is related to header into the header.jsp. I'll show you what I'll be going to do it. What is your header part here? Right click, inspect that complete header division. So you'll come to know. This complete part is header part. So find this div. What is the div? Main menu wrapper. The div which is with this class will be considered as header menu. Just identify in your CRXDE whether it is there or not, and copy that command code into header.jsp. Yes, I found it. What is the end tag for it? I'm not sure. So copy this entire into Notepad++ and select the language as JSP. Go to home, and what is your div class? This is your header. This entire div represents your header. So check here where your div is getting ended. This is okay. This is complete is header.jsp. Now we'll copy this text, this HTML element part into header.jsp. I removed it. Paste it into header.jsp. Okay, pasted. Now this header.jsp file you need to include into your purpose homepage.html. How we will include? We have include JSP. In JSP we have include directive. So use that include. This you can include it. Go to here. Sorry, here. Header.jsp. Entire copy this and paste it. That's how we have prepared header.jsp file, and we included that into just your purpose homepage.jsp template. Hope you got it. And test the web page is getting opened properly or not. Whether you're getting header or not, we have to check. We are getting header properly. So our development is not having any problem. Header.jsp we have prepared fine. Copy this global.jsp and session falls into your header.jsp. Now prepare your footer.jsp. Here you have to identify your footer. Go to HTML template, go down, inspect element F12. Now find your footer, div section. Yes, this is my footer, absolutely. So which is having a class footer. So go to your JSP, search for footer. Yes. So this is the div section which represents the footer. So find the end div section. Where is it? We found it from here. So copy this entire div section. Cut it. I guess we created footer.jsp file anyway. So paste it here. This is your footer.jsp. And include this footer.jsp inside here. Like this footer.jsp, just simply. Footer.jsp I included. I'm done. Control A, Control C. and replace your code with done. Now refresh your page and check it. Go to end. Yes, you're getting footer. Footer.jsp and header.jsp, we separated it. Now we can reuse that footer.jsp and header.jsp into our feature HTML page. How we can? I will show you now. Come to page components, right click, and under the page rendering components part, create a component that is features page. Okay, title features page. This is features page. Page rendering component. Group is purpose. Okay. Next. Sorry. Here super type. Now super type give your purpose homepage template path. That is purpose homepage rendering component path. Right click, create. Sorry. Right click, create. This is super page because I need header.jsp and footer.jsp. That's the reason I used the purpose homepage as my super type component, because I want to extend the functionalities of my purpose homepage templates component. So select the features page template, that is page rendering component, and see /resource super type is pointing to purpose homepage template, that is purpose homepage rendering component. So as we extended, we can use this script files inside your features page rendering component. Now remove whichever you feel unnecessary. Just remove entire. Remove that entire. Just copy this required part and paste it in your component. Sorry, we haven't copied. We got it. Now in your features.html, this is your features.html template, means HTML UI part which is given by the UI people. So anyway, this header part is common. You can remove this HTML template code because you are getting it from header.jsp. You can get it from header.jsp, so you can remove it. Alright, you getting? I am removing it. Up to where? Main menu wrapper. I have deleted it. Now here include your header.jsp file. Even though this header.jsp file is not available in your features page rendering component, as you are inheriting, you can avail that facility through inheritance concept in CQ. As well, you can remove the footer div section as well, because we have footer.jsp file in your super component. So you can inherit that feature. Just remove this footer part. Removed. So you can include this as footer.jsp as JSP inclusion. Now remove this. That's we need only body. Already we discussed while creating purpose home page template. We don't need HTML div element section because it's generated by CQ.html will wrap your entire body part. Now we prepared templating code. Later on, you people can identify corresponding components and you can implement that part. That's your responsibility. This is static HTML. I created it. Static HTML. Open your features.jsp page. Done. Now you will get footer and header as we are using inheritance concept. Now by pointing this page rendering component, create one template. We need to create template, right? Based on this template, we will create a page. Features page. Resource type. This is the resource type. Just give randomly some 6 ranking. The template should be displayed in which rank. Allowed paths, where your template should be visible. Under content folder, it can be visible under any path. That wildcard or else regular expression represents that content under content folder, or else under content node. My template can be visible anywhere. Allowed parents nothing and allowed children nothing. I create a template. Now create a page. Where you want to create it? Under purpose project you can create it. Right click. For creating, just refresh it to get the latest created template. Now create page. What is your page? Features page. Its name, features page template. Got it. Open your features page. Whether you will be getting proper or not, the proper page or not. Just check it. You got some error. Header.jsp is not found. Just identify the mistake, anything we have done or not. It is not able to find your header.jsp. Why? This is the purpose home. It's fine. It's getting executed. Primary type. Link on resource type. This is the home page we have given. Is true. Any mistake you identified, you people, just concern it, then we can fix it. Vijay V. Is this new guy? Not sure. Varinder, Grace, or Nicandro, or Shafiqul, anyone identified why I'm getting this error? What is this error? Header.jsp in the features.jsp file, features.jsp 10.2 as this is header.jsp. Why I'm getting this error? Any guess? You have to identify that issue. I got it. Identify on your own. Wrong. Yeah, correct, but CQ colon tags is correct, but why I should go for this? Any guess? The JSP tag will not take the inheritance concept into consideration. This is specific to CQ. So this is interview question, you can answer it. Why I should go for CQ tag to include a script file? Because CQ tag will take the inheritance into consideration. So likewise it will execute even though the corresponding .jsp file or any script file under the same component, it will try to inherit or else which is available from the parent component. Now refresh your page. See, at least you are getting. Anyway, CSS is not available, that is secondary part. At least page is getting rendered. Why CSS we are not getting? We haven't used the client libraries. We haven't included that client libraries into our page rendering component. Yeah, inside of template I included it. Okay. Now refresh your features page. You able to get the features page? Yes, you are able to get. But only the problem is images are not coming. That is different case, right? That is, you have to correct the damn image path. Check whether this features.html of this page and both are same or not, which you are getting. Analyze it. This is on page. Here image, leave it, leave about the images. Just fix the images on your own later. It says you already have shown you people how to fix it. We are getting our entire content, right? We are getting entire content. If you see your features.html. Likewise, create credits.html as well. Okay. On the fly, now I will create credits.html. Just observe it. How I will be creating. I'm creating credits page. Just observe it. Create a component. Credits page. Credits page. Credits page. Page rendering component. Yes, this is the super type which we are extending. That is purpose homepage. Group is same. Next. Click OK. We created the credits page. Okay. In credits page, we have to place our corresponding DOM script that you will get it from credits.html template. Right click, get it, entire your body section. This is the body section. In this body section, just remove this div section, which represents the header, because we will get this header section from header.jsp using the CQ inheritance concept. Just remove it and place inclusions good. How you include it? CQ include script. Included header.jsp we have done. Next, footer, we have to eliminate the footer part as well here. Just remove this footer part. Get this footer from inherited footer.jsp script file by including as a CQ colon include. just removed it. Remove the script inclusion. These all scripts are available through client libraries. By CQ : include client libraries with your category's name, by mentioning with your category's name. Copy it, the body part, go to CQ server, open your newly created file and replace it with your script. At the top level, include the required things like inclusion of client libraries, init.jsp for sidekick loading, global.jsp for all implicit objects availability, and session is false, and making the session false. Included, I created credits page rendering component, so that create corresponding template for credits page. Credits page. Credits page. Sorry. This is the credits page. Here give something rank as 7. Next, allowed path is same, means the credits page template should be available under the content and its child pages of the content node. That's what our concern. The same content path I'm using. No parents, no allowed children. Just click OK. Now I created my template successfully, credits page template. So create the corresponding page for it under your purpose project. Name is, title is credits. Name is credits with small. Select the template. Now open your credits page. Check whether you're getting or not. Except the images. Images you will have to configure. No images in this, so I got my credits page perfectly. Now your site structure having. Now create the navigation component and include it under where. Under purpose homepage, that is the homepage template. Under header.jsp you need to include it where your base navigation part is there. Okay. So you have to analyze what is the navigation part, how HTML is preparing the navigation part. I'll explain you how to analyze it. Right click on any child page that is either features.html or credits.html, page ++ home. This is the main menu. This main menu is having UL, that is an ordered list. Under that ordered list, one ordered list is for logo wrapper, that is representing logo. Forget about logo. Our concern is to prepare child pages. This is the child page. This is one child page which is representing, means which is selected. So class is being assigned as active. That is pointing to index.html. And next child page under li, that is features.html. And next child page, submenu. This is representing class. They have prepared one separate class, that is has submenu class. Under that, lot of div section will be there, which represents lot of childs. If you observe, lot of child pages are there. This is very complex. And next, under that, one more li, which represents the credit li. See, credits.html. So this how you need to prepare your navigation component. Before preparing a navigation component, before creating a navigation component, first analyze how to get all the child pages. Means you have to display all the child pages in a navigation component. Means under one certain level, certain route you have to display. Okay. Under certain route page you have to display all your navigation pages. Means you are giving access to your website. That's been done how? Through navigation. Let's see how we will be doing. We can do it even. Already I started creating navigation component. Somehow I created it. In header.jsp, identify the parts which needs to come under navigation component. From here, this li is index.html. This li is features.html. The submenu is having many more childs. Forget this li and go with another li, that is credits.html. So we have to replace this code with a navigation component. This li is with this li section, complete li sections up to where? Just before your logo component. Because first li represents what? First li here, if you observe, first li represents your logo. Obviously. From the second li we need to prepare as a child pages. Now let's see. Navigation component I created, inside of that navigation.jsp I started. So here I will be writing a script file. I will be writing JavaScript to get the root page node and the child pages of the root node of the website. And I'll look through the child pages. I'll prepare the li section with the child pages available. First, page is equals to page is get the page, current page, in which page you are. Now root page equals to current page is one implicit object, if you remember. Page dot go to page API, page API of CQ. This is the page class. And get the absolute parent at certain level. Use this method. You will get to know after writing this code. I'll explain you people. And also you will get to know. This is integer value at level 2. I'll tell you why we need to get absolute parent at level 2 only. So wrap this code inside a try catch. Piece of code. So if current page. Now, then prepare your li section. How we will prepare is, for example, what I am doing is, see, get absolute parent, current page. For example, assume that this is the current page. Okay. Get absolute parent at level 2 means what it will get. This is level 1, this is level 2. Okay. So what this get absolute parent method will return? Navroot page. That will be purpose page only it will return. So as you are in the purpose page, navroot page is not equal to null and current page is not equal to null. Obviously, the navroot page will become current page. That is purpose page. That is this page only. That is purpose.html. If you are in this page, get all the children of that page. What are the children's? Test, features, credits. These are the children pages. Now you have to get it through what? You have to get it through Java API. That is Java API methods. Okay. So navroot dot list. You have one method. Let me show you. Page API list children. See. This method we will use it by providing the filter object. Okay. Copy this method syntax. Sorry. Filter list children of what? Page filter. What page filter will take? What is a page filter here? Which will take page filter as current page object and request object. New page filter and request. I want to show you the API. Just wait. As children. Or else list children also will work. Let's see. If it doesn't work, then we'll go with this method. List children has to work. So it will return basically an iterator. What iterator will contain? Iterator of page objects. Those are children pages. Okay. Once you get the iterator of children pages, you have to navigate or loop through this iterator. Okay. For loop. Are we writing the correct code? Yes, you have to iterate it through. So this is as it is iterator. You can write for loop or else anything you can write. For loop or while loop, both are allowed. This children pages dot has next. If you go to the iterator API of Java util, from there only I will show you. Here what you have has next returns true if any next element is there. I am using the same. If it is true, it will enter into the for loop. Okay. Child is there. So get the child page. That is child page equals to children page dot Which method we need to use to get the next page? Next method is there, direct next method. I got my child page. You getting? So from this child page, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare this li section. Okay? This kind of li section we need to prepare. Just copy this li structure. Okay? Remove the gaps, unnecessary gaps in the code. Now you have to prepare here HTML div section. For that, close your scriptlet code. Okay. Hope you are aware good about JSPs, my assumption. You closed your scriptlet. Now paste your HTML code. Here you need to get your pages under expression tag, child page dot get name, which returns the name of the page, and in your .html extension we have given here. And now replace it with title. Always title will start with the caps. So title method will return the title of the page. So it loops through all the childs which are available. Okay, and you can remove this HTML part. Anyway, we have made it as a dynamic. Okay. Home page. Now include this navigation component. We developed this navigation component. Include this navigation component in your header.jsp, where you need to include this li section. You have to remove and you have to make this as a component. Cut it. Here write down the code to include your CQ component. CQ colon include path equals to navigation component, resource type equals to your resource type equals to your navigation component path. Hope you got it. On refresh, if everything is good, you should get what you should get. You should get your page rendered properly. Some error is there. Resource type. Again some error. Invalid attribute. Resource type. Refresh your page again. See, nothing is coming. Means some error is there. You got it? To investigate the error, as I told, go to console, disable the console, enable the console, clear it, and refresh your page and check whether you're getting any error or not. You are not getting any error here. Any error you're getting? No error. Means is there any issue in component? Not sure. We have to investigate that. Means either we may not be getting any childs. Test features credits. You able to see? But HTML rendering is not proper. But at least we got, or things got rendered properly. Inside your header.jsp, where we have placed our after a logo component. Why we are not getting the div section properly? Can you investigate? Because this div section is wrapped by CQ div section, I guess. It will be my guess. See this test, say div class navigation. This is not required, but this is CQ generated div class. If you remove that additional div class div section, which is added by the CQ, you will get a proper where is that navigation div navigation part? We got some div navigation. Yes, this is identified. This div navigation. Remove this div navigation from the DOM. I am removing it. Additional div. Now check. See test feature credits. All are coming adjacent. Means one by one. Any mistake still we have done? Just check it. Is that the correct way of preparation? This is our header section. In menu, this is the menu. LI preparation, CLI preparation, CLI. These all CSS fixes most probably will be done by the CQ people, not CQ people, UI people. So anyway we got it. The rest of the issues we won't bother about them. Here anchor tag not being generated, you have to investigate it first. Why not getting generated the anchor tag? Means on click you are not getting anything. Just investigate, we have to investigate it. href child we created properly. Not get name, get path here. Sorry. Get path, which gives the path of that. Which gives the path of the page. See now, test page. Are you able to navigate to test page? Yes. Credits page. Yes. Features page. You getting it? And go to 2. What you will get? You're getting nothing. Get absolute parent of 1. What it will return? This is 1. To display that what you are getting, just this is the way we debug in CQ. Write your out dot println statements. Guys, print.lns we use in real time. So check what the root page path you're getting. Refresh it. What you're getting, sorry. Dot get path object. This is the way we investigate what the root path you are getting. Purpose. When you give 1. When you give 2. What the root page you are getting, check it. So that code itself is not generating, means you are getting some exception. So to check what kind of exception you are getting, in exception out dot println error plus e dot to string. Check now what the error you getting. See, null pointer exception. That's the reason you are not able to go to get absolute parent 2. Hope you got how I have developed this. Sorry. Remove this editor.html. If you place here 1, you're able to get your navigation child pages. Got it? Purpose means features.html. When you are in features.html, features.html is not having any child pages, right? That's the reason you are not able to navigate it. If you still want your navigation of your website in features.html also, you need to write a code now. For example, in features.html, what is your nav root path? Nav root path is what? This nav root path is what? In features.html, when you are in features.html, what is your nav path purpose? Okay? And also write get the current page path. This way you need to investigate current page. Okay? Place the comma, so which will differentiate here. In features.html, what is your nav root path? Root path is purpose, but the current page is features. Because we are in features.html, the implicit object current page is returning the path up to the features page. The both paths are different. If both paths are different, what we have written, nav root page is not equal to null, current page is not equal to null. And just a second, let me analyze the code and write. Already we discussed Grace long back, the implicit objects, you forgot it? You're surprisingly asking this question? I'm not sure why you're asking it. Oh, shut up. I moved this page of page node or outside of it. The hell I did it. The long back only we discussed, no? That is implicit object in, just hold on. Purpose, title, text, image, while explaining this properties object, implicit object. That time itself I explained you people, right? The current page is implicit object. I'm not sure whether you are reading it or not. This is implicit object, right? Yes. Hope we got it. Always navigate it from the root page. So you will get that. Go to features page. Anyway, you got child page. Go to credits page. Anyway, you got child pages. Go to test page. You got all the child pages. This is where how you can navigate it. eBay. This is the root page. Hope you understood the navigation how we developed, because the mistake what I have done is just remove this piece of code. Easy. This is the navigation, nav route, whichever the current page. For example, either in credits.html, whatever the page. Current page dot means credits html dot get absolute parent of 1. Absolute parent of 1. 0, 1. This is the page number 1 at level 1 for credits.html. Get absolute parent. If it is 0, I'll get websites. If it is 1, I'll get this purpose. Let's give 0 and try what we will be getting. 0. You're getting nothing. Means 0 means you will not, oh, sorry, I forgot to say you. This website, the root node, you will not be able to access it. Okay? Sorry, I forgot to say you. You will not be able to access it anytime. 1. What is the level for this credits page? This is the 0th level. This is the first level. Okay, I got the first level parent object, parent page object. That is the purpose object. Purpose object is not equal to null. True. When it is true, nav root page means that is purpose dot list children. What are the children objects? That list children method will return children objects, children pages, test, features, credits. What I'm doing, just child pages dot has next. Okay, child page dot next. I got the child page. That is the first child page. That is test page. Child page dot get path. What it will return? Up to test page path. That is content slash purpose slash test. Up to test only it will return. That's the reason I appended .html extension. And next, to get the text message, to display message, that is title I want to display, because title always will be started with a caps. Title is caps, name is small. That's the reason I used to get title method. That's the reason I'm able to get test page, credits, features page, credits page. I will create one more page. That may be, or else I'll be copying this purpose root page only. Copy it, I'm copying, and paste it at the same place, on the same, yes, copy it. See, purpose project, I got it. And now move it. Now moved it to the first place, test, move it to the last one. Not under credits. Features make as a second page. Credits make as a third. You can move it. Select it and move it. Now refresh your structure. See, purpose project is a root page, purpose.html, features.html, credits.html, text.html. This is how we develop the new navigation component. For example, tomorrow I may create one more page. For example, let me create one page, that is features 2 page. Title I am giving is features 2 and page name is features 2. Select the features page template, create the page. I got it, I have created it. Now refresh your purpose page, root page. See, your page, recently created page, automatically coming in navigation or not? Are we including anything inside the div structure or li structure? Dynamically it is getting generated because we have developed such a dynamic code which prepares automatically. Hope you understood how dynamic component works. Just simple, this piece of code, nothing else we have done, right? Just I'm sending you through a mail. I'll send it after the session. Surely I'll send it. Okay guys? Any more doubts? Any more questions? Hope you understood today's session. I want you people to open up any. Are you feeling good this session? With this session? Of course, I'll send it. And next, how today's session is? Any more confusions or any feedback you want to give to me? Anything, please ping me. You people are not giving any feedback. It's not good for me. I'm waiting for your feedback. Tell me, Nicandro, is it really a good session? Great? I don't think so. You're lying. Yeah, somehow, see. Somehow things are complex if you go a little bit deep. Simple component creation is easy. But if you go deeply, some things will get complicated, right? For this navigation component, we developed a dialog, but we haven't used the dialog. So here, is there any requirement to use the dialog? No. This script only renders the things. The script only takes care. If you want to still make any configuration, you can make through dialog. But in complex projects, definitely it will require to configure something through dialog, but as a simple project we are working, it is not required to make dialog effect. Okay, here this div section is getting generated. Why it's so? As I said, this div section is wrapped by the additional div section. This li is wrapped by additional div section. As I said, this div navigation, it shouldn't be. We have to remove this div section with some code. Somehow you need to remove it. If you remove it, this is what the live development. If you remove the additional class which is generated by the CQ, your navigation will come awesome. The same like HTML navigation we will get. Let me delete it for your understanding whether we develop it properly or not. See, you got your, I deleted that. You got your navigation properly or not. Purpose, project, this is one page. It's another page, features, credits, test. These all div section fixes we will not work. Already I told you people. This will be taken care by the UI people. The dynamic component development part itself is our task. As I said, now we removed it. So how perfectly is coming? Is it coming or not? Guys? Now right click and go to features page. You will be able to navigate it. But still here is not coming because again that div section got generated. This div section, div class equals to navigation. This CQ generates dynamically. If you remove that, here also div section will come perfectly. That navigation section will come perfectly. See, this is the fixes we'll give in live. This is purpose project. The first child is purpose project, as we have given here for child purpose project. And next one is features. This is the features. Next one is credits, test, features 2. Credits, test, feature 2. All the task is being done by this piece of code. That's it. Current page.get absolute parent. If navigation root page is not equal to null, get all the children pages into the iterator of page. Iterate through each page, get the each page, and each page dot get path. Get path returns only path. Append.html extension and child page dot get title to display purpose. If you remove this .html extension, let's see what the error we will get. Save it, refresh your page. You got it. Just see purpose slash is coming because .html extension is there. If you add .html extension, you'll get the page here. Same like here, also add the .html in code level. I added. Save it. Now try, refresh it. This is how you people should develop the code. Hope you understood today's session. Okay? Good. Thank you. Thank you guys. I'll share the videos and also I'll share this component with you. Just go through this component. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Almost our CQ sessions will end in next 4 to 5 days maybe. So just Java bundles left and few more complex concepts left. I'll complete those. So soon our session will get ended. So people be ready to crack the interviews. Okay? Go through the concepts, please. Bye.